Craving a home that exudes both warmth and sleek sophistication? Look no further than the ever-popular modern farmhouse design. This captivating style seamlessly blends rustic charm with contemporary elegance, creating inviting spaces perfect for comfortable living and effortless entertaining. Imagine stepping into a haven where exposed beams and shiplap walls whisper tales of a bygone era, while sleek stainless steel appliances and clean lines speak to modern sensibilities. This is the essence of modern farmhouse, a style that celebrates the marriage of old and new, creating a timeless aesthetic that transcends all trends. Modern farmhouses are characterized by their open floor plans, allowing natural light to flow freely and fostering a sense of spaciousness. Large windows become integral design elements, blurring the lines between the indoors and the natural world outside. Imagine mornings bathed in golden sunlight or evenings spent gazing at starlit skies from the comfort of your own living room. The kitchen, often referred to as the heart of the home, takes center stage in modern farmhouse design. Picture a spacious kitchen island as the social hub, inviting family and friends to gather and connect. Think white cabinetry paired with warm wooden accents, creating a light and airy atmosphere while retaining a touch of rustic charm. The color palette in modern farmhouse design leans towards a neutral base of whites, creams, and grays. This provides a clean canvas for pops of color, whether it be through bold accents in artwork or textiles, or a statement piece of furniture. While embracing modern materials and clean lines, the modern farmhouse style doesn't shy away from its rustic roots. Woven textures, natural materials like wood and stone, and vintage-inspired lighting add a touch of warmth and character. Don't be afraid to incorporate farmhouse-inspired accessories like vintage signs, galvanized metal planters, or antique mason jars, just for a touch of rustic charm. embracing the modern farmhouse aesthetic doesn't require a complete overhaul. Even small touches can infuse your home with its warmth and charm. Consider painting your cabinets white, replacing outdated hardware with sleek modern knobs and pulls, or adding a chunky wooden table as a focal point in your living room. Play with textures by incorporating woven throw blankets or chunky knit pillows. The beauty of the modern farmhouse style lies in its ability to be personal and adaptable. So whether you are craving a full-blown farmhouse renovation or simply want to add a touch of rustic elegance to an existing space, the modern farmhouse design offers endless possibilities to create a home that reflects your unique personality and embodies a sense of timeless comfort. So step into the world of modern farmhouse design and discover the beauty of where rustic charm meets contemporary elegance. Create a space that is both warm and sophisticated, a haven for relaxation and connection. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, happy decorating.